In this module, we will discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping seats, consoles, and other miscellaneous interior parts.
First, inspection and cleaning. Confirm part description as well as interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Oftentimes, seats will be sold for the use of attached motor and track assemblies. Seat belts are not included within the seat assembly. Headrests are included in the seat assembly. Clean the part as thoroughly as possible. Interior components will rarely be able to be restored to like new condition. Ensure irreversible wear and tear has been described, including grease marks, heavy cushion denting, rips or tears in material, broken adjustable components or levers, and broken mounting tabs or brackets. Avoid spraying or heavily washing seats or other interior components which may absorb water.
Tagging and identification. Stock number or PO should be engraved or written on an inward-facing portion of the part. If this is not possible, then no stock number should be applied. Shipping. Small interior components must be boxed. Larger components like bench seats, large cumbersome seats, or dash panels must be wrapped and palletized if they can't be easily carried by one person.
Use no fewer than 2 binding straps to secure the part to the pallet. Use a buffer like cardboard or styrofoam to prevent the strap from damaging upholstery or finished materials.
And this seat is ready to be shipped out. What considerations do we need to take?
I would say reading the work order, making sure for the notes, if it has any rips, stains, burns, anything like that. Also making sure that it's got at least 2 of these bands on it. It's best to put the bands on the bottom, not over the seat to damage it in any way. Also, pallet size is important, just like all the other parts, making sure nothing's hanging off to get damaged. Also making sure it's not too big to take up too much room on that transportation network. But putting this wrap around it is also probably pretty suggested. You don't have to, but it's going to keep it safe, keep anything from being set on it, leaking on it, and keep it safe and ready to go for our end-of-the-use customer.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.